Hello everyone, hope all are doing good. We will see the NCERT solutions, Chapter 2, Kings, Farmers and Towns, Early States and Economies, question number 5, Subject History, Class 12, explained by Sandhya M. List some of the problems faced by epigraphists. Who are epigraphists? A person who can read and explain the meaning of the inscriptions are called as epigraphists, and we will see the problems faced by them. Sometimes the letter of inscription are very faintly engraved and thus reconstruction are uncertain. So sometimes these inscriptions are very lightly or slightly carved on the stone, and so as time passes by these inscriptions get faded away, and so for epigraphists it's very difficult to find what exactly that word or letter is. Sometimes the inscription may be damaged or letters missing. So we know inscriptions were made many years ago, and so when we find them now, most of them are damaged, and in few cases few letters are missing, and so it is difficult to find what exactly the word is. On certain occasion, it is not easy to be sure about the exact meaning of the word used in inscription, of which may be specific to a particular place or time. That is why scholars are constantly debating and discussing alternative ways of reading inscription. When we take a word, a specific word have many meaning depending on the place and time. For example, when we take the word vellam in Tamil language, it means jaggery. It is a sweet, and in Malayalam language, vellam means water. So here we see the same word had different meaning in different places. So that's what they are telling. When we take inscription, the exact meaning of the inscription may not be same because meaning differ according to place and time. And so scholars are constantly debating for finding alternative ways of reading inscriptions. Several thousand inscriptions have been discovered, but not all that have been deciphered, published, and translated. So, several thousand inscriptions have been found, but all those are not deciphered. Deciphered meaning converting the inscription language to a normal language is called deciphered, and they are not published and translated to other languages. Many more inscriptions must have existed which have not survived the ravage of time. Whatever is available is only a fraction of all inscription. So inscription was made many years ago, and so as time passed by they got destroyed, and so whatever inscription we have in our hand till now is only a very small part of it. It is only a fraction of all inscriptions present. There is also a possibility that what we consider politically or economically significant may not have been recorded in inscriptions. For example, there is no mention of routine agricultural practices and the joys and sorrows of daily existence in inscription. We all admire ancient days for their agricultural practices, for their lifestyle, and how effectively the country was ruled. But here they tell all those which we admire are not recorded in these inscriptions, and they give an example that we admire them for their regular agricultural practices, routine agricultural practices, how happy they were, how sad they were. But most of these things are not recorded in the inscriptions. Thank you.